because it's the winter, I'm going to just suggest another one, which is candlelight calm. Yeah, a soft candle flame and a mindfulness meditation. So I'm going to talk you through one of those. Find a candle, pause the video, find a candle, and then come back, or bookmark this for later on, and we'll do a very short candle flame meditation, long pause later. Light your candle. Sit comfortably. Let your eyes rest softly on the candle flame. Not staring hard, just noticing. Noticing how it flickers, whether it's steady, the way the flame moves without effort. Just watch it. Notice the colour. Notice the way that the flame forms. Take one slow breath in, pause, and then breathe out. A longer breathe out. Keep watching that flame. Allow your attention to narrow and focus on the flame. You don't need to think about anything else at this moment. You're just having a long pause and using the candle and the flame to guide you into that pause and make it last a little longer. If thoughts arise, if a worry comes, let it pass like a shadow and keep returning your gaze to that small flame, that light just in front of you. Notice the warmth of the flame, the calm it creates in the space, and the way that stillness gathers around it. Stay here with your candle flame. If you can manage a minute, that's phenomenal, as long as it feels comfortable. When you're ready, soften your gaze, which means that you're almost just looking at the candle flame, not worrying about anything else. Or close your eyes for a second or two and capture and carry that sense of quiet steadiness with you as you move on to do the next thing in the day.